Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the image you want to transform. Choose one with clear subject and compatible aspect ratio. Next, load the stable diffusion checkpoint, matching VAE and sampler to avoid artifacts, and confirm the model is GPU-enabled. Then, set your initial parameters: steps, guidance scale, and seed. Once done, import the source as the image-to-image input and set strength. Make sure to keep strength between 0, 2, and 0, 8 to balance preservation versus change. You now craft the prompts. State the desired style, details, and mood, then add a short negative prompt to exclude unwanted elements. While doing that, tune image strength to control transformation. Lower values preserve composition, higher ones let the model reinterpret content. If you need local edits, create a mask and set masked areas to be regenerated. Also, choose the sampler and increase steps slightly if details are missing. Make sure to lock seed when testing controlled variations. You render several variants, changing the seed and small prompt phrases to explore results, then pick the best and refine it. Once you have a candidate, use in painting for local fixes or run an upscale model for final quality. If outputs show artifacts, reduce image strength, switch VAE, or expand the negative prompt to remove errors. You can also lower guidance scale slightly. Finally, export your chosen image and save the configuration so you can reproduce or iterate quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.